So, sige, dun tayo sa next number. So, pwede nyo din yan i-factor out pa yung sin raised to 5 dito. No? Pwede din yun. Nasa inyo lang yun kung i-factor out nyo pa yan. Pero, for me, okay naman na din yan. So, next natin is yan. So, kanina is in terms of sine and cosine tayo. Ngayon naman is about in terms of tangent. Ayan. So, paano naman yung gagawin natin kapag yung tangent natin is even and positive? No? Yan. So, we have this tangent. No? We have this tangent, integral of tangent raised to 6 3x dx. So, again, our tangent is even and positive. So, let's try to solve. Ang technique dito, guys, kapag magsasolve kayo ng ganito, na yung tangent natin is even, dapat ang iaabang natin is secant squared. Yan, secant squared 3x. Yan yung iaabang natin. So, dito, ang gagawin natin is, hiwalay natin yung isa. So, we have this tangent. Dalawa nito. No? So, magiging na siyang raised to 4, 3x. And then, we have tangent squared 3x dx. Yan. So, ngayon, i-identities natin to. Ano ba ang identities ng tangent tsaka secant? So, we have this secant squared 3x is equal siya sa tangent squared 3x plus 1. Yan. Kung gusto natin si tangent squared 3x, then we will have this tangent squared 3x is equal siya sa secant squared 3x minus 1. So, transpose lang natin si 1 doon. Ayan. So, now, pwede na natin siyang palitan. Equal siya ngayon sa tangent raised to 4 3x. Yan. And then, palitan natin to. We have secant squared 3x minus 1 dx. So, napapansin nyo ba? So, ito, multiply natin siya dito. And then, nakaabang na yung tangent. No? Na ito na yung kanyang dx. Kasi ang integral ng integral ng secant squared 3x is tangent. Which is ito nga, may tangent na tayo dyan. So, mag-u subs na lang tayo dyan mamaya. So, equal siya ngayon sa to. So, tangent raised to 4 3x. And then secant squared 3x dx. Yan, minus integral of tangent raised to 4 3x dx. Ayan. So, this time, pwede na tayo ditong mag-u subs, di ba? So, let nyo lang natin si tangent 3x. du natin is secant squared 3x times 3. So, since may times 3 tayo dyan, meron tayong neutralizing factor na 1/3. So, dito, pwede na natin yung masolve. So, equal siya sa 1/3 yung neutralizing factor natin. And then, no, from raised to 4 siya, magiging na siya ngayong tangent raised to 5 3x. And then, wag natin kalimutan yung over nito. So, that is 1/5. Ayan. So, minus, dito naman tayo sa kabila. So, maghiwalay ulit ako ng dalawa. No? So, tangent squared 3x, then tangent squared 3x dx. So, ulitin lang natin to. So, equal siya ngayon sa, this is 1 all over 15. Ayan. And then, tangent squared 3x. Ayan. So, identities. So, that is secant squared 3x minus 1. Then, dx. So, again, multiply mo lang yan. So, we will have this. 1 all over 15. tangent raised to 5 3x. So negative times tangent times dun. So that is negative tangent squared 3x secant squared 3x dx. So integral. And then itong negative, ito guys, be cautious kayo dito, no? Itong negative na to is minumultiply niya yan dyan, tsaka dito. So ibig sabihin dito, from negative times negative 1, so magiging siyang, ano? So that is becomes positive 1 or positive, and then copy natin to. So tangent squared 3x dx. Yan. So dito, pwede na natin itong masolve. 1 all over 15 tangent raised to 5 3x. So pwede na ulit tayong ano dyan, no? So that is negative. Ano yung neutralizing factor natin? That is 1/3. And then yung sasagot natin, that is tangent cube raised to 3x. No? Tangent cube 3x. Then huwag natin kalimutan yung kanyang exponent, 1/3. So, may 1 all over 3 pa tayo dito. Yan. Plus, again, gagawin natin is identities. So, we have secant squared 3x minus 1 dx. Yan. So, pwede na natin itong makuha yung sagot. 1 all over 15 tangent raised to 5 3x minus 1 all over 9 tangent cube 3x plus, so this one is madali lang, no? Integral of secant squared 3x, that is 1/3 kasi yung neutralizing factor niya, then si tangent 3x, and then integral of negative 1 dx, that is negative x plus c. So, ganyan mag-solve ng even na tangent, no? Kapag yung tangent natin is meron siyang power na even. So, i-add nyo to sa mga inyong baon, guys, para kung magsasolve kayo is kayang-kaya nyo mag-solve ng mga integral na trigo.